Hello, this is not the end with part 2 of my Michael's clearance haul. I knew when the other day when myself and my nephew were there that I was going to come back and get more, and that was today. Now the day when I went there, I decided not to videotape anything because most of everything had been rifled through. So this is what I got today. I got some more Eco, and I think I'm satisfied now. That, and just like the others, I got 3. Let's see what else did I get. It's kind of hard to tell these apart, but I think those 3. And those 3. And that's all I got today, so that's 9. I have to figure this up. I don't have my calculator with me, and everything was still $4.99, and that came to a total of, I had my receipt, but who knows what that is right now. I'll find it in a little bit. But I got 9 of the Eco, and I think I'm satisfied with the amount that I got. What I was trying to do, my ultimate goal was to fill in my new shelf, and I think this will do it for a while. I still got room, look like, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 more skeins or something. Who knows what that'll be. So this is my haul for today. Thank you, past, present, and hopefully future subscribers. Thank you for checking out my channel, for seeing what I'm about, seeing my content, and I hope you like what you see. If you're not a member of my channel, be sure and like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just ask the questions in the comment section or hit me up at my not the end email. You'll see a link for it below on the description. You all keep sweet. Hugs. God bless. And peace out.